How to delete story highlights on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete story highlights on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram app, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if you haven't enjoyed, just open up your Play Store and let's search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. So here we can actually find out if our Instagram is currently up to date. So this is an important step because updating your Instagram app will make sure that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to create story highlights and also being able to delete them. If it shows an open button right here, that means that your Instagram is currently up to date. However, if that shows an update button, that means that your Instagram app is currently outdated, so just tap on the update button once prompted to do so. Once you have made sure that your Instagram is updated, let's just head on and open Instagram right here. And to delete story highlight, we need to access them. So to see our story highlights, we should be at our profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And on this part of the page, you should see all your story highlights listed in here, and you can just swipe through if you have multiple story highlights. If you want to delete a whole story highlight, like this one, if I want to delete this, you can just press and hold on that specific story highlight, and immediately you can see the option to delete that highlight. However, if you meant deleting one story from that specific highlight, so just open up that specific story highlight, and for example, if I want to delete this certain story from this highlight, just click on this more option right here at the bottom right hand corner and click on remove from highlight. So that is how you can basically delete story highlights on Instagram. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.